As part of my unwavering commitment to education and inclusivity, I've chosen the neutral name Alex for the main character in our story about writing successful cover letters. To prevent bias and ensure inclusivity, I will be using gender-neutral pronouns, they, them, their when referring to Alex. This is the first of 5 short videos in our mini-series, hosted in the graduate course Research Methods in Communication. Join us as we explore the art of crafting effective job applications.
Alex is anxiously awaiting the start of the course content, eager to learn the secrets of effective job applications.
Introducing the first title in our mini-series, Crafting the Perfect Cover Letter, a step-by-step approach to success. This video will lay the foundation for writing compelling cover letters that stand out. Moving forward, Alex has a moment to learn about some common mistakes that people often make when writing cover letters. Part 3 of our series will explore the selection procedures employed by companies to identify top candidates from a pool of resumes. Understanding this will help Alex tailor their applications more effectively. In the 4th installment, we delve into the key strategies for passing the resume screening phase. Alex will learn what recruiters look for and how to highlight their strengths. The final video, 5th part, will guide Alex through common pitfalls in resume writing and how to avoid them, ensuring their applications are flawless. Let's start the first video of our series and follow Alex's story in Crafting the Perfect Cover Letter, a step-by-step approach to success. Get ready to transform your approach to job applications.
Alex has always dreamed of landing their ideal job, and now the opportunity is right in front of them. Alex knows that writing a compelling cover letter is crucial to making a great first impression. However, before diving in, Alex understands the need to hold their horses and engage in some essential warm-up exercises, much like a runner, preparing mentally and physically for a big competition. Join Alex as they gear up to tackle the challenges of crafting the perfect job application. As Alex gears up to land their dream job, Alex is focused on mastering 10 critical steps. 1. Researching the company thoroughly. 2. Grasping the job description. 3. Identifying crucial keywords. 4. Reflecting on their own experiences. 5. Structuring the cover letter. 6. Selecting the appropriate tone. 7. Including essential contact information. 8. Preparing compelling success stories. 9. Adhering to a professional format. And 10. Meticulously reviewing and editing their work. Join us as we guide Alex through these strategic preparations, ensuring their application not only meets but exceeds expectations. Let's quickly dive into our first key point, researching the company to tailor your application and make a lasting impression. Alex begins their journey to a standout cover letter by diving deep into company research. Alex explores the company's website, scours social media platforms, and sifts through recent news articles and press releases. Understanding the company's values, culture, and current initiatives is crucial. This knowledge enables Alex to personalize their cover letter in a way that resonates deeply with the employer, demonstrating not just interest but genuine enthusiasm and alignment with the company's mission. Next, Alex shifts gears and zooms in on the job description, transforming their meticulous nature into detective mode. With eagle eyes, they dissect every line and bullet point, eager to uncover the hidden treasures of responsibilities and required skills that lie within. Alex then carefully reads the job description, highlighting key responsibilities and qualifications. This helps him understand what the employer is looking for, allowing Alex to emphasize how Alex's background aligns with these needs and tailor their cover letter accordingly.
Alex, with their dream job in sight, knows that a meticulous approach is key. Today, Alex embarks on a mission not just to read, but to truly comprehend and master the job description that stands as the gateway to their future career.
Step 1. Carefully read the job description. As Alex sits down with the job description in front of them, it's like decoding a map to hidden treasure. Each sentence and requirement spark ideas of potential alignment with their own skills. Alex reads slowly, deliberately, ensuring no detail is missed, understanding that each word could be the key to their success. Step 2. Understand the employer's requirements. Moving deeper into the analysis, Alex puts themselves in the shoes of the hiring manager. What is the employer really looking for? What pain points might they be facing? Alex thinks, by understanding the underlying needs of the employer, Alex can craft their application to address these points directly, positioning themselves as the solution to the employer's problems. Step 3. Take notes on required skills. With a highlighter in hand, Alex marks the essential skills and qualifications listed. Beside the job description, they start a list drawing lines from their experiences to the skills required. For each point, Alex recalls a relevant story or achievement from their past roles that demonstrate their capability in these areas.
Why this process is essential. Through this thoughtful preparation, Alex doesn't just prepare to apply for a job. They prepare to impress, to resonate with the hiring team, and to show that they are not just a candidate, but the best candidate. So this deep dive into the job description enables Alex to tailor their narrative so effectively that it feels like it's been written just for them, ensuring that when the hiring manager reads their application, they can't help but see Alex as a standout fit. This story of Alex isn't just about applying for a job. It's about crafting a narrative so compelling and tailored that it leaves the hiring team envisioning Alex in the role. By paying careful attention to the job description, understanding the employer's needs, and aligning their skills with those needs, Alex is setting themselves up not just to apply, but to succeed. Moving to third item, identifying the key words and phrases from the last step.
In a quiet corner of the library, Alex sits with the job description spread before them. Today, their mission is clear: decode every requirement and align their skills precisely. They carefully highlight strong programming skills in Python, knowledge of AI, and ML algorithms skills that are not just part of their repertoire, but are areas where Alex excels. With each line they read, Alex prepares to tailor their resume, making it not just a document, but a mirror reflecting the needs of their dream job. This deep dive into the specifics will ensure their application stands out, perfectly aligned with the employer's expectations.
Alex now uses key job description terms like Python, AI and ML algorithms, and scalable software solutions to craft a narrative that showcases their expertise and directly aligns with the company's needs.
Alex reflects on their career, pinpointing key accomplishments that align with the job description's demand for expertise in Python and AI and ML algorithms. Their past roles have seen the development of innovative AI solutions that significantly enhanced operational efficiency. One notable project involved optimizing machine learning models that reduced processing times by 30%, demonstrating their capability to drive impactful technological advancements. Furthermore, Alex's commitment to excellence extends beyond technical skills to include budget management and community leadership. They successfully led a budget-saving initiative that cut software development costs by 20% without sacrificing quality. In addition, their role in coordinating a community volunteer program showcases their ability to manage projects and teams successfully. Each of these experiences is carefully aligned with the job's keywords, presenting Alex as a well-rounded candidate whose achievements speak volumes about their potential value to the company.
Now it's time for Alex to draft their cover letter, the personal touch that opens doors. Armed with a clear understanding of the job's requirements and a rich portfolio of achievements, Alex is ready to weave these threads into a compelling narrative. It's their chance to shine on paper, highlighting how their past experiences and skills make them the ideal candidate for the role. With excitement, they begin outlining, eager to construct a letter that's as engaging as it is informative.
As Alex sets out to draft their cover letter, they opt for a structured and thoughtful approach. They begin with the introduction, where they'll capture the employer's attention by succinctly expressing their enthusiasm for the role and the company. In the body of the cover letter, Alex plans to detail their relevant skills and experiences, connecting each to the job description's key terms like Python, artificial intelligent machine learning algorithms, and scalable software solutions. Each paragraph will underscore a specific achievement that aligns with the company's goals. Concluding with a strong closing statement, Alex will reiterate their excitement about the opportunity and extend an invitation for a meeting or interview, leaving a lasting impression that underscores their suitability for the position.
Alex now focuses on unifying the tone of their cover letter, ensuring that from the enthusiastic introduction to the detailed body and the compelling conclusion, their language consistently reflects their professionalism and passion for the role.
Alex considers the tone for their cover letter, initially leaning towards a creative and relaxed style, but recognizes the traditional and formal culture of the corporation. Deciding to align with the company's standards, Alex opts for a polished and professional tone, carefully crafting each sentence to reflect respect and a serious commitment to the role.
It's great that Alex has prepared two versions of the cover letter to suit different tones. Let's evaluate both to ensure they effectively communicate Alex's qualifications in line with the job description provided. Creative and relaxed tone. Dear hiring team, I'm excited to apply for the civil engineer role at ABC Company with a strong background in high-rise design and a passion for innovative solutions. I'm eager to bring my skills to your team. At Xyz Company, I led sustainable design projects, reducing carbon footprints by 20%. I'd love to discuss how we can shape the skyline together. This version of the cover letter adopts a friendly and enthusiastic tone, aiming to convey Alex's passion and innovation. It's particularly suited for companies that value a more personable and dynamic culture. The mention of specific achievements, like reducing carbon footprints, directly correlates to the job description's emphasis on sustainable design practices. Formal and traditional tone. Dear hiring manager, I am interested in the civil engineer position at ABC Company. With over 5 years of experience in high-rise design, I have led teams in implementing cost-effective, safe, and innovative structural solutions. I look forward to discussing how my skills align with your needs. This version is more reserved and aligns well with traditional corporate environments. It straightforwardly highlights Alex's expertise and leadership in high-rise design, directly matching the job description's requirements for someone experienced with structural solutions and project management in high-rise construction. Recommendation. Given the company's description as a traditional corporation, the formal and traditional tone of the second letter might be more appropriate. It communicates professionalism and aligns with the expectations of a conventional engineering firm focused on safety, cost-effectiveness, and technical expertise. However, Alex should ensure the final choice of tone matches the company's brand and culture as reflected in their communications and public persona, which might require some research or insight into the company's values and previous hiring practices. In the quiet corner of Alex's study, surrounded by drafts of their cover letter, Alex sits puzzled over which contact information to include. Alex weighs the need for professionalism against the practicality of accessibility.
As Alex finalizes their cover letter, they meticulously ensure to include their full name, professional email, and phone number at the top left corner of cover letter, ensuring easy access for any follow-up from the hiring team. Tall across from their contact info, they carefully place the company's details, the name and address of the company, followed by Dear Hiring Manager, having not found a specific name. Setup not only mirrors the professional format expected in formal applications, but also subtly underscores Alex's attention to detail and preparedness, setting the stage for a polished and thoughtful first impression.
In a cover letter, the best place to put your contact information is at the top of the document, either in the header or just before the salutation. Here's how you can format it. Place your name, address, phone number, and email in the top left or center of the page. Below your contact information, include the date, followed by the recipient's name, title, company, and address aligned to the left. Before salutation. After the header, leave a space, then include the salutation, for example, Dear Hiring Manager. This format is clean and ensures that your contact information is immediately visible. Both methods ensure your contact information is easy to find and looks professional. After gathering all the necessary information and carefully selecting the appropriate contact details, Alex is now poised to compile their success stories.
In crafting their cover letter, Alex strategically highlighted specific segments of their impressive electrical engineering career to showcase Alex's suitability for the targeted role. With a focused intent, Alex detailed how they led a team in the design and implementation of a high-voltage distribution system for an industrial facility, underscoring Alex's innovative approach that boosted energy efficiency by an impressive 15%. This particular narrative was chosen to emphasize not just their technical skills but also Alex's leadership capabilities and ability to drive significant improvements. Furthermore, Alex intentionally included their successful oversight of the installation and testing of transformers and switchgear for a major substation upgrade. This accomplishment was carefully selected to align directly with the job description, highlighting Alex's hands-on expertise and strict adherence to safety standards, crucial for the high-voltage engineering position he aspires to fill. These meticulously chosen stories were aimed to paint a picture of a leader and innovator, precisely what the hiring company seeks in a new team member.
Alex gives their cover letter a final polish, ensuring the format is impeccably professional to reflect their serious intent and attention to detail.
As Alex sits down to prepare their job application materials, they ensure a seamless presentation by using the same format for both their resume and cover letter. They carefully select a crisp, professional font and set uniform margins, creating a visually cohesive and orderly document suite. Alex understands that consistency in these details reflects their meticulous nature and professionalism. By aligning the font size, header styles, and layout across both documents, Alex crafts a polished, matched set that communicates not only their qualifications but also their attention to detail and commitment to excellence. This thoughtful consistency in design reinforces Alex's professional identity, leaving a lasting impression on potential employers and enhancing the overall readability and effectiveness of their application. After diligently crafting their cover letter, Alex doesn't rush to hit send. Instead, they embrace the critical next steps to ensure perfection. First, Alex plans a meticulous review and editing session to refine their draft, understanding that even the best first drafts can be improved. They spend extra time proofreading the text, catching minor typos and grammatical errors that could detract from the professional tone they've worked hard to establish. So, realizing the value of an external perspective, Alex then asks a trusted mentor to read through the letter. This step uncovers a few overlooked mistakes and provides constructive feedback that Alex uses to enhance the clarity and impact of their narrative. They carefully incorporate this advice, tweaking phrases and strengthening arguments to ensure the letter is not only error-free, but also compelling.
This methodical approach to finalizing their cover letter ensures that when Alex finally submits their application, it is a polished showcase of their qualifications, tailored perfectly to the job at hand and leaving no doubt about their attention to detail and commitment to excellence. It looks like Alex has nearly mastered the art of the perfect cover letter, but just as they were about to seal the envelope, they spotted a few sneaky errors creeping in. Eager to nip those mistakes in the bud, Alex decided there's more to learn. What better way than to dive into the next movie in the series? So with popcorn in hand, Alex is all set to uncover common pitfalls in cover letter writing. Stay tuned as Alex turns the quest for the flawless cover letter into an adventure. After carefully drafting a cover letter, Alex was surprised to find mistakes in the final review. Recognizing the need for further improvement, Alex decided to watch the second installment of our mini-series focused on common mistakes in crafting cover letters. This episode offers invaluable insights into avoiding subtle errors and enhancing the effectiveness of your application. Join Alex in learning how to perfect your cover letter by identifying and correcting common pitfalls. Tune into this critical session to ensure your cover letter makes the best impression possible, paving the way to your career success.